Hey, it's Jared Snyder again, and I wanted to come and do a final part 3 of beating the winter blues. Ways to keep your energy levels up throughout the winter months. I just think it's important. You know, not only is health and fitness good for your mind, your body, and your spirit. So, I just want to help people out this holiday season and just, get through these dark months of what we call fall and winter. So, I don't know if I said this before, but my number one is soak up the sunshine. When it is sunny outside, take advantage of it. Make sure that you're getting out. Open a window in your house. You know, go where you have windows in your house that will let the sunshine in. And just get it in. And if you can go outside, get some air. That's an awesome way to do it too. Keep things airy. I thought this was interesting. As the night draws in and temps close and tempting close your curtain and hibernate, it's better to keep things light and airy as possible. Keep curtains open enough to see the night sky. So maybe I'll try that. See how that works out. And I know I preach this a lot. Exercise. Get your sweat on. And as you know, I'm a health and fitness coach, or maybe you don't know, and I have amazing programs I could help you get into and help you transform your life through them. That's what I'm all about. Drink water. Stay hydrated from the time you wake up till the night. Stay away from dehydrating drinks, and just stay hydrated. It's a good thing with your health and fitness too, to stay hydrated all the time. You'll feel a lot better. You won't feel so sluggish. Hydration is a huge thing. A lot of people are so dehydrated because they're drinking things that is taken out of them and not drinking enough water. So drink your water. Is very important. 5, increase social activity. I know a lot of us just want to hibernate, but we should go out and chat with people, call people on the phone, FaceTime people. Being around friends and family can boost your mood and help motivate you to do things you enjoy. You can even call, FaceTime to each other to encourage one another through these months. So I just want to help you get through these months, So if you find these are beneficial, then please share these with your friends and family. I'm just have a passion to help people, and I just know people struggle with this stuff. Number 6, and the last one is treat yourself. Having something to look forward to can keep anyone motivated. When winter seems endless. Plan a weekend trip, plan a date night with, just plan something. And when you plan something exciting, your mood improves when you're anticipating it and when the event actually comes. So, you can't wait to, go out and maybe you're going on a trip somewheres and you're just excited about it. Your mind's always thinking, hey, can't wait till the trip is coming up. Slash the days off the calendar, and it's pretty exciting, and it kind of takes your mind off of everything else. But this is the last and very most important one. That if you are really struggling more than anything, seek help. Get a hold of your doctor. Tell them what's going on, and see if you guys can work up a plan to help you get out of the rut of depression. Because it's serious, and I just want the best for you. So if some of these tips don't work, just go seek out your doctor. It's better to go and see a doctor and figure out things than to just not see the doctor. So anyways, happy Monday, and I hope that these are beneficial, and I am going to have these all uploaded to my YouTube channel. So you just have to search Jared Snyder on YouTube. Go there and you'll find them. This will be Beating the Winter Blues Part 3. I have Part 2 and I have 1 on there. And if you're going to the playlist, the playlist will be tips on bettering your health, or I can't think of it right now, but you'll see it. But anyways, take care and God bless, and please share this with your friends, family, if you think it's beneficial. And I hope to bring you something new tomorrow. And have a great day. Bye.